Isha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all a comparison video. Yes, today I'm going to compare two of my favorite kajals and I'm talking about these kajals. The first one is this Faces kajal and this one is a magnetized kajal and it retails for only rupees 120 and I'm using it from last 2 years and this is like my absolute favorite kajal. And the second one is this Sugar kajal which is like for 499 rupees and this one I am having here the Stroke of Genius Heavy Kohal eye kajal. So yes, this is my second favorite kajal and I am using it from last 6 months and these both are like my favorite kajal. So today I am going to compare these both kajal, that which one is the best among them. So yes, if you are interested in knowing that which one is the best, then without any further ado, let's get started. And yeah guys, one more thing, I'm not including the Plums kajal in this video because the texture of Plum kajal is so much drying and when we apply it, it looks cakey. So I literally don't like that kajal, so I'm not including that here. And the second thing, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है और अगर आपको ऐसे वीडियोस देखना पसंद है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और इस वीडियो को कर दीजिएगा लाइक। और चलिए अभी हम मूव करते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। So guys, first of all, if we start from the packaging, then the both product comes in this retractable pencil-like packaging and the packaging is quite good and sturdy. You can see. So yes, it comes in this retractable pencil and इसको आपको बार बार शार्प नहीं करना पड़ता because when you have to sharp it again and again बहुत सारा product waste होता है and it's quite not good also. So yes, I like this packaging. Now guys, if we talk about the shade and the shade availability, then this kajal comes in only one shade, like one black shade, and this one comes in 6 to 7 shade and very amazing shade range is available. And I'm having here 05 which is Black Magic. It is quite black kajal and having white sparkles in it. Guys, now let's talk about the product quantity and the MRP. Then you are getting in this kajal 0.35 gram of the product for the MRP of rupees 120, which is looking like affordable. Next I'm having this Sugar kajal which is for rupees 499 and it is giving you 1.2 gram of the product. Now what you say, which one is affordable? Of course the both are in same range because they are giving only 0.35 gram of the product for 120 rupees. So yes, on average the both product MRP is same. Now guys, if you talk about the lifetime of both product, then you get here 3 years of lifetime. You can use it for 3 years, which is such a great time to finish the product. So yes. एंड अगर बात करें इंग्रेडिएंट्स की तो इस काजल में आपको कोई भी इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट मेंशन नहीं मिलती है। इसमें सिर्फ इतना मेंशन है दैट इट इज डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड एंड इट्स सेफ, क्यूरेटली फ्री। सो यस, एंड इस काजल में आपको क्यूरेटली फ्री मिलता है एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट टेस्टेड इन एनी एनिमल्स and it is recyclable, which is a great thing. And the all ingredients are mentioned in this kajal, which is quite good. So guys, this is all about their product quantity, MRP and their packaging. So yes, now let's talk about their pigmentation and let's see their swatches.
So guys, firstly I'm going to swatch this Faces kajal and you can see how much pigmented black kajal this one is. In the single swipe you can see how much pigmented it is. Now next I'm going to swatch this Sugar kajal. Now you can see this one is also amazingly black and this is not the pure black shade, it is a Black Magic shade. So you can see how much pigmented both kajals are. Now I'm just going to write the name below them so that you can easily get them. So this one is the Faces kajal and then this one is the Sugar kajal. So now you can easily recognize them. The Faces one is looking little bit more dark, but the Sugar one is also looking very pigmented as it is a Black Magic shade. It is having white particles in it so that it's looking quite less pigmented, but yeah, both kajals are superbly pigmented, you can see. Now guys, let's quickly see whether they are smudge proof or not. So I'm going to smudge them with very light hands firstly. So yes, you can see I'm smudging them with very light pressure And if you can see, you are seeing that the particles of sugar kajal is coming out. Whether the faces kajal didn't smudges, I just applied a little bit more product in the starting, so yes, it's got smudge, but here it is not smudging at all. While in the sugar kajal, the white particles get smudges little bit. Now guys, I'm going to smudge them again, and this time I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure. I'm smudging them separately this time. You can see how much pressure I am applying, and you can see it is coming little bit. You can see. Now I'm going to smudge this sugar kajal, and you can see no color is fading in this, and the white particles are again getting separate. But if I talk about the shade, that the color, no color is leaking at all. Now guys, I am going to reapply the kajals again so that we can do other tests also. So here I am applying the both kajals again. Now guys, let's quickly do the waterproof test of both kajal. You can see I am keeping the both kajals in running water, and I'm going to keep them for the 30 seconds, and let's see whether they leak out or not. So guys, you can see no color is faded at all. So now guys, let's see whether now they get transfer or not. So here I am going to press my finger in the kajal a lot, and you can see nothing came out. Some sparkles came out, but no color is leaking at all. And now let's try in this one. You can see no color is transferring at all. So yes, it isn't getting transfer at all. Now guys, it's confirmed that they are water resistant, but let's see whether they are waterproof or not. So I'm again going to smudge them with light finger, and now I'm going to smudge with little bit hard. Now guys, you can see both kajal looking fade. I have rubbed them a lot. While when we apply kajal in eyes, we didn't rub that much, but yeah, you can see they are completely got removed, but the faces one is still looking dark from the sugar kajal. So yes, you can see, and the both kajal last for 6 to 7 hours in your eyes when you apply them.
That's all about today's video. If you found today's video helpful and like this review and the comparison video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more helpful videos, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new video. So yes, that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.